solve the compound inequalities, then graph the solution and write the solution in interval notation. So let's do each one separately. Let's go ahead and use the distributive property and solve for this inequality. 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times -1 is -4, less than 12. Now we add the 4 on both sides. Remember, we are isolating the variable. And we get 8x, and this cancels, less than 12 plus 4 is 16. And then we divide by 8. So that gives me x is less than 16 divided by 8 is 2. So we solve for this inequality. Now we need to do the same thing for the second inequality. Here we have to subtract now 7. And we'll be left with 2x. This cancels, greater or equal to 15 minus 7 is 8. And then we need to divide by the coefficient of x. So divide by 2 on both sides, and x becomes greater or equal to 4. So we have x less than 2 or x greater or equal to 4. So x to or this. So what would be the solution? X less than 2 or x greater or equal to 4. So less than 2 here too, it was not included. That's why we graphed the open parentheses, and anything to the left of 2 is x less than 2. Now we have to graph x greater or equal to 4. So 4 is included in the solution. So we're going to have a bracket on 4 and x greater or equal to 4. So anything to the right of x equal 4. So the solution is anything less than 2, so negative infinity to 2, open parentheses, union, bracket from 4, and anything greater than 4, so 4 to infinity. This is the interval note, the solution in interval notation. If you notice, the key word here was or. So the solution, both of them are part of the solution. If the word was and, then we're going to have a completely different answer to this question. Because and, that means whatever's common between them, the common solution. If the word was and, then we have no solution. So because here we have or, so we count both of them, both of these inequalities are part of the solution. X less than 2 and x greater or equal to 4.